Are you gonna say anything about it?
There is a cicada hatching right on our doorstep.
Hey, it's not hatching. Oh, it's moving. Like its legs are moving.
Oh my god.
Its legs are moving, look.
Oh my god. It's alive. That's what. Do you see that? He's moving. He's moving as we speak, guys. I know I've not been streaming in a while, but that's because I've been doing it on my brother's channel. I've only seen it.
And which you need to start streaming on your own channel.
Technically mine too. So. Speak. Yeah.
Oh, it's moving.
Now we backed off.
Okay, so I was just eating my popsicle. I threw it away. Right there. Then I come back. I see a cicada.
These are like the almost like nobody sees these, but one hatching, that's almost impossible.
It's like the rarest thing we've ever found.
First thing I've ever found is gold. There's nothing really that.
You have never found gold that you have found yourself.
Myself, no. Yes, I have found gold.
It's moving again.
It looks like it's just a baby.
No, it doesn't.
Looks to me like it is.
You've never seen a cicada, Blake.
Only once though. Take my double back.
What?
What? Oh my gosh. Wow.
Gold is not as rare as this.
Oh yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
I feel
Traffic.
there's not traffic in Marshfield. We see all of these around our house, but none of them actually hatching. We've seen like all the shells.
Not hatching. More like being butterflies hatching. Not hatching. Getting out of their cocoon.
Sure, you can say that.
Moving
Got it.
again.
Sorry, guys. Ew, no. It looks so gross and slimy. Oh.
I touch worse things in my life, actually. Don't be a girl.
How about you touch first, son? If you want me to. With your shoe.
At least I'm actually touching it.
With your shoe.
At least I'm smart.
You're not actually being smart because they don't fall. You didn't even touch it.
It's disgusting.
Woo. Okay.
Didn't move.
No, it's moving. It's gonna get wet. It's gonna get wet, I know. Ew, it's so gross.
It's like our dog.
No, it's worse than that. I mean, that is our dog's probably worse. But we actually found a hatching cicada, whatever it's called. My brother's telling my dad. We've like never even seen cicadas or whatever they're called. I don't know if that's right. In our yard, I've seen one and it's in the grass and I stepped on it. But
Like, don't touch it. He doesn't know if it'll bite or sting. And I think that's all. Bye-bye.
no,
Oh, I missed the button.
this is not all. It's been a short video. It's only like 6 minutes. But yeah, I was just about to go jump on my trampoline somewhere out there. Back there somewhere.
Like, you gotta close the doors. That's why our house is always so high.
I don't care. So I'm just waiting for the cicada to fly away, do whatever it needs to. I'm gonna come back tomorrow on YouTube, see if it's there. What? Well, yeah. Guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys all had a great day and goodbye.